Hey Team V.
Hey Team V, today we are doing our space unit. We are going to make a galaxy in a jar. Can you fit the whole galaxy in there? Can you get in there and everything get in there? How are we gonna do this?
How? Are we going to paint it?
Well friends, you can do this with paints or with food coloring. So I have 4 different colors of paint here, and what I've done is I put just a little bit of paint in the bottom, and then I've put a lot of water in, and I shook it up. Woo. So you need 4 different colors of paints or 4 different colors of food
Is
coloring.
the paint in there washable?
Yes.
Good.
Now here we are also going to need some sparkles, and you can also use some stickers on the outside. So first we have cotton balls, and what we're going to do first is we're going to pull them apart. So Leo, help me with this. Grab one, pull it apart. Now that we have pulled them apart into pieces, we are going to squirt some color in first. What color do you want first? Red, blue, orange, or purple?
Purple.
Purple!
Because it's the first color. Okay.
Okay. We have chosen purple for our first color. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of that in the bottom. Careful. Now that we have our watery purple in the bottom, we're going to put our torn up pieces of cotton in there. Can you put the torn up pieces in there? So now that we have the purple in the bottom, so for the first one you put the paint or food coloring in first and then the cotton balls, just so that the bottom of your cotton balls are going to get color. You just poke them down, mix them around. Add a little bit more of the same color on top.
Okay.
Now we're going to put some more torn up cotton in there, so do that with me. All right, squirt in some red. Now we're gonna add some sparkles.
Okay, this is nice. Thank you.
Okay,
Those are
let's
stars.
tear it some more.
Hey Team V, this is the galaxy in the jar.
Wow, guys, look.
I caught the galaxy. I caught it.
We caught the galaxy, we did it. Look how it turned out. So you do need quite a bit of cotton, and we had micro glitter, so it really spread, and it looks great. So we used acrylic paint, and
It's all over me.
we have sparkles all over us, and we watered it down so it turns out really bright when you do that. If you want more of a muffled effect, you can use the food coloring. And Leo wants to show his Pokemon shirt.
I want to show my Pikachu.
Look!
This is my
Pikachu! I know Hendrik's gonna really like to see that.
Look at this. Team V, this is my Pikachu. This is my Pikachu.
All right, let's do our handshake, Pika. Pika, 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 Pika. Bye, guys. Have fun with your galaxy.
Pikachu!